Can you all see my screen? Okay. So, okay, so this is the link to the challenge. The name of the challenge is Louder. Okay, I don't know why they removed it from Cybertalent, but it's a very interesting challenge. The challenge says my sales manager was annoyed by this sound. However, my accountant thought it might mean something. Can you figure it out? PS, submit flag in a single string. So for programmers, you know what a single string is. So this is the link to the flag, and the flag is a sound. Okay, for those of us that are very familiar with computer, you will know this is a Morse code. Okay, a Morse code is this is like a kind of this was used mostly like I think some organizations still use it anyway. It's a very good way of communicating secret messages, sending secret message. Okay, so I've opened the sound, so I'm just going to download it. There's a website that we can use, something Morse code. Morse code wall, I think. I mean Morse code dot wall. Let me see. Yeah, so this is the website. Is this the website? I think this should be the website. Welcome to my school. Here, blah blah blah. Translate. Instant character recognition. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. International Decode. Yes, audio decoder. So yeah, that's the website. Thank you. Who dropped the message? Okay. Can you hear me now? Inode, can you hear me? My network disappeared at some point. Okay, that's fine. So let me carry on. So this place where you have upload, you will just upload that sound that we downloaded. Look at it, an annoying sound, annoying underscore sound. So upload. So that's the sound. So play it. So you can see how it's decoding the message. You can see the write-up flag is a weird. It's decoding the message. Flag is a weird sound. Flag is a weird sound that so do you understand Morse code? So I think it has finished. So flag is a weird sound that means something. Flag is a weird sound that means something. That is the decoded message from this sound, from the Morse code. So all you need is just to copy this and paste it in your copy it and come and paste it here, and you are good. Wow, that's great. It's not easy to understand Morse code. So they say the flag is wrong. I don't know how it's wrong, but that is the process through which you get the flag. For tonight, me, I'm tired. I want to rest. So you can keep trying, and that's just a way to decode the flag. If you have any challenge, you can meet Inone. He says he understands Morse code. Okay, so good night, everyone. I think this was an interesting session. All of us solving challenges